Florida homeowners achieved full ownership in 21 years. The median Florida home cost $381,000, requiring 20.79 years to fully pay off. The payoff time rose 1.71% since 2022, despite median income rising to $73,000. Housing affordability declines as property prices outpace income growth here in the Sunshine State. The population growth and housing demands continue making renting more practical for many households. Florida is ranked 24th nationally for housing affordability decline, showing moderate challenges for many buyers.